Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a super awesome Valentine's Day inspired DIY. This can be as affordable or expensive as you want it to be. It can be made for as little as $3 to $4, or you could make it go all the way up to however the heck much you feel like spending. But we've got a really fun DIY, and it's actually kind of funny too, so you guys stick around because you might get a kick out of this one. So the first thing that you're going to need is a board of some kind. This is a canvas little board that I've got. You don't have to use canvas. You can definitely use a foam board from the Dollar Tree, because we're going to dress this up here in just a second and you'll see what I'm talking about. But all you need is a board, your lips, and some lipsticks. Now I wanted to talk to you guys about some options for lipsticks. Dollar Tree carries tons. You could do this with just one shade. You could do it with multiple shades, and then that determines how much you're going to spend. But I found these lipsticks right here on Amazon. I believe it was Amazon or eBay. I bought them like last year or year before last, and I never really used them. I mostly just bought them because of the packaging. It's like super cute, right? But I think these will work really well for this DIY, because I'm not going to be super sad over wasting these, and I only paid like $2 for all of them. So it's not really that expensive. But if those aren't really shades that you're into, Dollar Tree does carry lots of shades. They actually carry a whole lot of these little guys right here, and they are dual-ended. One side's a gloss and one side is a lipstick, and they're actually pretty pigmented and creamy, so I feel like they'll transfer really well. So you could definitely use those too if you would rather. And then they even carry some of these little Wet n Wild lipsticks like this, and these are really good lipsticks. Okay, so for real, all you have to do is pick what color scheme that you want to go with. If you want to do mostly reds or mostly pinks or purples, whatever shades you want to go with, or if you want to mix them all, that is totally up to you. And then just apply your lipstick, and you are going to start kissing your canvas board or your foam board, whichever one you choose to use. Make sure you apply it pretty heavily though, so that it can actually come off of your lips. So once I have it on, I'm just going to literally just kiss the board. And there you go, there's the first one. Now you can see the size of my board is actually pretty big, so I need to do this probably about 50 to 60 more times. So just keep going, alternating your colors with whatever colors that you like, and then I will be back to show you what's up. I also found that putting an eyeshadow palette behind it made it a lot easier to kiss on a flatter surface. Once you have your lips, you are just going to take some of that tacky glue, and I had some glitter on hand already, but the Dollar Tree does sell glitter, and you're just going to go around the edge. And I used a makeup sponge to kind of smear it so it wasn't a perfectly straight line. I didn't want it to be super opaque with the glitter, but you could make it as thick of a border as you like. And then I just took that same tacky glue and I put dots all over the entire canvas and went over it with the same glitter, and it gave it just a little extra glam effect, which y'all know I love glitter. This would have looked really cool with rhinestones too. Alright you guys, and this is the finished product. You could absolutely hang this on the wall if you want to, but I'm just personally going to have it sitting on my little dresser back here behind me. I'm once again redoing my background just because I find it so fun to do, and this is not necessarily going to be like a Valentine's Day for me. This is going to be up all the time because I just really like things like this, and I love that I made this. You guys may think it's kind of tacky, probably because it is, but that's okay because I made it and I like it. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much as always for watching. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We finally reached 200 subscribers, and I have you guys to thank for that. That means the absolute world to me. Y'all are awesome. You're just the best. I have the best subscribers ever, and I feel like a lot of you have actually become more like friends, if anything, because a lot of you actually interact with me. I love to hear from you in the comments. It just makes my day when you guys talk to me and we get to converse back and forth. So thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart, and yeah, like, I just don't know what else to say. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys.